Next Level Mindset with another powerful and positive video giving you one of my top I am affirmations. And here it is. It says, I am a master in discernment, and I easily see through deceptive people and their childish schemes. This reminds me to just keep my eyes open, just to be aware. I am a master in discernment, being able to notice those things behind the scenes, being able to read people's energy when they come into my life. I like to say, you can raise your standards to be with me, but I refuse to lower my standards to be with you. So keep that in mind as you enjoy affirmations. Remember that you can use them, put them in your own words. And when people come against you and they try to come to you with their childish nonsense, thinking they've got over on you, you can tell them, no, I'm not falling for that. I am not going out like that. I am a master in discernment. I can easily see through deceptive people and their childish schemes. I know what's really going on. And by the way, if this is your first time here or you've been here before and you haven't subscribe to the channel. We're on our way to 5K. If you want to stay empowered and inspired together, we'd love to have you here as a part of Next Level. Now, I've got some bonus insights that I want to share with you and mistakes that we can avoid. But first, I just want to share this with you. I've got to tell you about Amazon. If you need it, Amazon probably has it. They are the host of my songs. They host my merchandise. They also host my books, Mystic Secrets of the Bible, Divorced and Still Destined for Greatness. They are the host of my channel. So check them out with the links in the description. And if you decide to buy my books on that site, leave us a review. We'd love to know that we've been a blessing to you as well. If you are enjoying the content on my channel, consider becoming a member. We have a membership that you can join for exclusive content, behind the scenes, never seen by anyone else. You can cancel at any time, enter on any level that you want to enter in on. And if you're a content creator, you could also create your own Buy Me a Coffee membership site as well. So make sure you do that. Buy a coffee, take one of my books home with you. Any way you want to do it, there's links in the description for you to do just that. And one of the mistakes a lot of people make is giving up before the manifestation, or just being frustrated that is really not adding up. And so what I've learned to do in my life, I've learned to look at it and compare it to where I was before to where I am now. And that's another thing. A lot of people compare themselves to other people. The best way that you can ever compare is to compare where you are now compared to where you was back maybe a few weeks ago, a few years ago. But yeah, these affirmations, they take time, but they will work. Those two words, I am. You put something after that, is really going to have a major impact on your life. And another thing, when it comes to affirmations, mistakes that we can avoid, there are actually 3 other mistakes we can avoid. And I talk about that in this video right here coming up on the screen. I think that would be a great video for you to watch next. So check that out right now and enjoy that. Thanks again for subscribing and coming back to the channel. I really appreciate you. Hit the like button and share this on your way out. Subscribe if you haven't done that yet. Stay blessed, stay positive, never give up, always stay true. Until next time, I'll see you on the next level. Peace.